create a dispute letter to the credit bureaus in just seconds. And pay attention because I'm going to show you exactly how Letterfi 180 works. You can either create a dispute letter by answering some questions, which is the pink one at the top. The blue one in the middle is to create a letter to the credit bureaus, and this is using drop downs. And the third one is create a creditor or collector letter. And I'm going to show you the middle one, which is the most popular. Now, here's the thing. I'm also adding in eOscar code dispute letters, and that's going to be completed this week. So if you already have Letterfi 180, then hey, you're gonna have access to this. This is a letter by scenario creator. So this is so simple. Let me show you exactly how this works. So I'm gonna put in my information, my first name, my last name. I'm gonna put in my email address, and then we are going to go and create the rest of the dispute letter. Now, obviously this is going to be faster on your computer, but most of my users are mobile users, right? And this means that you can literally create a dispute letter on the go, on the bus, while you are a passenger in a vehicle, or really anywhere, walking down the street, etc. So we're going to create a letter to Experian, and there's tons and tons and tons of built-in letters here, but I'm just going to randomly choose one. Let's say that we're going to go with this one. This is my second request, blah, blah, blah. Now, if you have your own letter, you can actually just click this box and you can paste it in here, but I'm gonna go with one of the built-in options. Now, I'm also adding in the option to use your own dispute reason or to use my built-in reason, but add in some facts. So we're gonna put in our first account. We're just gonna say this is Cap1 and it's 517805. We're going to choose a dispute reason. We have it broken down by account type, so collection, third party. We have late payments, collections, charge-offs, repossessions, identity theft, bankruptcy, etc. Let's just go with this one. Now, if I wanted to add in another account, I would click on the plus button, but I don't, so I'm going to get rid of that one. We're going to choose a one-line closing. Thank you for your attention, and we're going to click on Create Letter. You can also get my help by clicking on the pink message icon at the bottom right. So this requires no personal information. You're going to fill this in when you are editing and printing. All we're going to do is we're going to on it, we're going to copy it, and then we're going to drop it, copy, paste, drop wherever we want to edit. So I'm not going to do that on the phone here, but this is very, very simple. You copy it and drop it into Word or Notepad or wherever. And that is where you're going to fill in exactly where I show you to your date of birth, your social, and your address. Now, I'm also going to create an additional option to increase speed and automation on this. I'm going to create another option where you can include your personal information on here, and after it shows it to you on the screen and emails you a copy, that it will delete it from the database. But this is what your letter looks like. It's very simple, very straightforward, and this is a factual dispute. So if you want to get access to this right now, the link is down in the description. If you want to stop sending out letters that don't get results, then you're going to want to check out Letterfi 180. Now, this is a very simple on-the-go option for creating dispute letters in just seconds. Let me show you how it works to create a creditor letter. So you're going to put your personal information, the date of the letter, and you're going to type in the creditor name and their address, then the account number, and then now we have different types of letters here that will go to a collector or to a creditor. It's so simple. Do you want to include a dispute reason? Yes, you can add that in. Do you want to use your own letter? Yes, okay, you can do that as well. And that's as simple as it is. Let me go show you that first option. Now, if you use any of like funnel scripts or things like that, where you are creating a script just by answering some things, then that is this type. So the date of the letter, you're going to choose your bureau. What are you requesting? I'm requesting an investigation, that you look into this, that you send me blah, blah, blah. This info taken from my credit report. So it's going to input whatever you write in this box into this section where there's an underline. So that's really it. And it's going to generate the letter, and now you have it. It literally can take as little as 5 seconds to create your dispute letter. So if you want to be productive, you want to spit out disputes, you want to get results, you're tired of your credit score, you're tired of your credit report being the way that it is, and you want to get results without having to hire someone, then, my friend, go check out Letterfi 180, and as soon as the eOscar code letter section is ready, you're going to also have access to that. As soon as